Does this sound familiar? Your company's AI-generated content sounds like a robot wrote it. It's cringe, and your prospects can see right through it. Right now, developers are obsessing over open source autonomous agents like OpenClaw. Why? Because these advanced tools use persistent memory files, including literally a file called soul, S-O-U-L, to dictate exactly how the AI should act, think, and sound. Most of the B2B companies out there are skipping this step entirely, and it totally shows. So imagine this, you're a marketing director, you're burnt out. You told your team to use AI to scale up your content game, but everything they publish is just generic. It's saturated with fluffy corporate jargon, keyword stuffed, and lacks any real human empathy. You wanted thought leadership, but you got a brand damaging echo chamber. So here's how you fix that generic copy problem and give your AI a soul. Start by defining a persona. You need a core operating manual. Tell the AI exactly who your brand is, what tone to use, and what cliche words it's strictly forbidden from using. Feed it the best. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. So stop using open web data. Feed the AI your top performing human written content to mimic. Next, you want to lock it down. Create a master instruction set that applies to every prompt your team writes. Remember, no policy, no protection. If you just let your team use default chatbots, you're going to get completely lost in market content saturation. You're going to blend in with everyone else's AI-generated content, and worse, you risk the AI generating confidently wrong insights about your very own products, and that's embarrassing. This isn't about replacing your human writers at all. It's about giving them a tool that actually understands your brand's DNA. That is how you turn straight-up cringe into content that keeps paying for itself. So try this one out. Pick one piece of AI content your team generated this week. Read it out loud and ask yourself, does this actually sound like us? If the answer is no, you're exposed. If you want to stop guessing and lock down your brand voice, check out our AI Branding and Guardrails consult. This is Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI. We'll catch you on the next one.